So if you're like me, your garage is already overfull, and trying to find a place to even do your weld jobs is challenging. Which is why I really like the folding ArcStation from Miller, because it takes up hardly any room. It folds down flat, I store mine against the wall, I even use 2 of them. And when you put them up side by side, each one can hold 500 pounds, so that gives me 1,000 pounds of working weight to use. I've even had that engine on it, and it's 460 pounds. It's so portable that I even throw it in my trailer and take it to the racetrack, and it serves as my go-to table. It holds everything from my sodas, beer, and food, and transmissions when I need to pull those out. When I take it back to the shop, I put my slip rolls on it if I'm fabricating. I have vices that clamp to it. It's got an X pattern cut into the top so I can use some clamps. It's just extremely versatile. It's way more than just a welding table. You can even change your light bulbs with it. So if you're looking for something easy to use that's portable and sturdy, check out the folding ArcStation from Miller.